Hi, for my final video, I am highlighting Coursera, which you can find using the URL www.coursera.org. And Coursera is a MOOC, or massive open online courses, and I believe the latest count is that there are over 800 universities worldwide that offer free or affordable courses in MOOC platforms. So I've used Coursera before when most of it was really free. And now I believe you have to, while there are still a lot of courses that are free, now mostly if you want a certificate, you just pay a nominal fee, or there could be courses too where you can access the content, but you can only access the graded assessments again by paying an affordable amount. So once you log on, it's fairly easy to use. So you can just type here a topic that you kind of want to start exploring, or you can use this drop down menu and go to courses you might be interested in. By the way, I'm primarily featuring Coursera as a tool for instructors to gain more information about things that they're interested in. So for instance, why don't we type like from the business department? No, let's just type education, and let's see what kind of results we get. So these are some of the courses that are available. If I want to learn more about urban education, since my school is an inner city school, you can click on this, and this one is offered by the University of Chicago. There are quite a bit of prestigious universities that have courses here. Like from the UK, there's the University of Manchester, and of course from the US, there's NYU, Penn State, and University of California. So this one in particular, oh, by the way, you can find out more about the course by going through the syllabus. And of course, this is one thing I like to look at, reviews. So this particular course seems to have a really good review, 4.8 out of 5 stars. And there's even an FAQ here. So it's really easy to use. And there's other information here. Here you go. And then you, of course, this is my my dashboard. Anyway, that's Coursera, a massive open online course platform. Thank you.